we can see about Born-Haber cycle. The lattice energy of an ionic solid can be determined experimentally by a process known as Born-Haber cycle. Now consider the determination of the lattice energy of sodium chloride crystals. Various steps are involved in the formation of sodium chloride crystals in crystalline state or as follows. Conversion of metallic sodium into gaseous sodium atoms takes place first. The energy required for the conversion of 1 mole of metallic sodium into gaseous sodium atom is called sublimation energy. Here is the representation of the conversion of sodium into gaseous sodium atom by supplying sublimation energy, and the next step is dissociation of gaseous chlorine molecules into gaseous chlorine atoms. This step involves the dissociation of gaseous chlorine molecules into chlorine atoms. The amount of energy required to dissociate 1 mole of gaseous chlorine molecules into gaseous atom is called as dissociation energy. So when we take a chlorine molecule, by applying dissociation energy, it will be converted into 2 chlorine atoms in its gaseous state. So the energy required to produce 1 mole of gaseous chlorine atom would be d by 2. Conversion of sodium atom into sodium ion. The amount of energy required to convert 1 mole of gaseous sodium atoms into sodium ions in the gaseous state is called ionization energy. Here we have given the equation for the conversion of sodium into sodium ions by applying ionization energy. Conversion of gaseous chlorine atoms into chloride ions also takes place. So the amount of energy released when 1 mole of gaseous chlorine atoms are converted into chloride ions in gaseous state, that energy is called as electron affinity. So here one chlorine attracts electron and converted into chlorine minus ion by releasing an energy known as electron affinity. Then combination of gaseous ions to form a solid crystal takes place. This step involves the combination of gaseous Na plus and Cl minus ions to give 1 mole of NaCl crystal. So the amount of energy released when 1 mole of solid NaCl is formed from Na plus and Cl minus ions. So this energy is called as lattice energy. It is denoted by U. Here is the equation. Na plus plus Cs minus in its gaseous state combines together leads to the formation of NaCl in a solid state. So the overall charge may be represented as Na plus half Cl2 gives NaCl crystals. This is the cycle, and the amount of energy required for each reaction is given here, and the enthalpy change for this reaction is called as enthalpy of formation of NaCl and may be denoted as delta HF, and it is given here, that is Na plus plus half Cl2 gives NaCl. This is called as enthalpy of formation. The various steps may be represented in the form of Born-Haber cycle, and it is shown in this figure. According to Hess law, the enthalpy of formation of NaCl should be the same whether it takes place directly in one step or through a number of steps illustrated above. Whether it will form from Na plus half Cl2 into NaCl, or it leads to the formation by gaseous atom and then ion, and then combination with the gaseous atom, formation of gaseous atom of chlorine and with the chloride ion. After that it is leading to the formation of NaCl, means it is minus 788 kilojoule. If it directly formed, means on the time also the energy is same according to Hess law. Thank you.